Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial how to extrude an image. You can create new part, click start to the sketch and choose top line. I will click this image tools and then you can insert your image. For example, I will use this image. Click on drawing area, press escape button to close from this image tools. And after it, you need to tracking the image and convert into 3D by using extrude tools. Click lines. In here, I will use the line tools. Okay, I will click start from this point into here to this point. This. And after it, use fillet tools to fillet in these two line objects. Okay, you can increase, decrease the fillet by clicking in here. Okay, I will set again like into 5 for fillet this area. And if you're done, you can click finish sketch. Now you can use extrude tools to convert into 3D like this. Or the other option, we can use revolve tools to convert these objects into 3D. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial, how to extrude an image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.